Hey guys, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and welcome to another product review. Today we have a set of rolling stock. These are basically Walthers Proto Autoracks, because you can see I have 3 of them, as I previously shown in my TrainWorld haul video. I was going to do a review on these, so these are really stunning cars, and then I got them for very cool, for a discounted price off of TrainWorld, so they were $29.99 each, so I thought that was a really good deal since they probably cost about possibly like $64.99 a piece. So with a really good deal, I was able to purchase 3 of them. So you can build I can build like an old Autorack train, because I really do like the Autoracks, because I've always loved seeing those every time I'm out rail fanning. So I probably pick one up. So as you can see, one example I have is Chicago Northwestern, because I believe I still see these out when I'm rail fanning. They're just pretty rare. And next are some of the newer ones, the newer schemes. One is Barrel Mix, and the other one is Canadian National. So there it is. So those are the 3. So we're going to be doing a review. So I'm going to unbox one of them for you guys. I'll just go with the Barrel Mix. So quite simple. So you basically just unbox it like this. So basically just unbox it. And you pull it out. And there it is. So sometimes the packaging can come in a foam packaging or in the plastic, but this one came in the foam. So there it is. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to get it out of the box. And there it is. That's what it looks like. Man, it's a pretty long car. So it looks very cool looking. So anyways, I'm going to set this onto the tracks and we'll begin the review. Alright, so starting with the front, so as you can see it's got some pretty nice details. On the front it's got the Proto Max couplers, doors are nicely done, and lots of great detail on the trucks. You can see, I really like some of the detailing they have right here. And you can see that it isn't see-through, because I think that's how it is on the real life ones. And you can see the paint is nicely done for this, because as you can see it's in the Ferromix yellow scheme, because I see these quite often. And you can see the bottom, got the new TTX logo on the bottom underneath. It's good detail here. So I'm just going to move it around, show you this side. Lots of great detail on this side. And people were wondering, did the doors open? Nope, they actually do not open. They're just molded in. So just like with scale trains with their Gunners in Atlas, Gunderson, Autoracks, their doors do not open. So apparently they don't. So only just the Intermountain ones have them open. So then I'll show you the top. Very nice detail. Then I can show you the underbody detail. It's very nice. Chris. So, let me set it back on. So, it's very nice. It's also free rolling, and it rolls very nice and smooth too. So, this is actually a really cool looking piece of rolling stock. So, anyways, it's got lots of good detail. Let me see if you can see through the doors. Doesn't look like you can, which is alright. I mean, and you can see it's also got some details like grab irons there and all that. Let me just show you guys more. Wow, this is very stunning. So yep, so that's basically a little review of the Walthers Proto Autoracks. So I gotta say, this is actually a really nice piece of rolling stock for any modern era railroaders. So this is perfect if you do modern era, because I really like these Autoracks and plan on getting more of them, like especially the articulated ones, because I know Athearn is doing some and also Atlas probably has some as well. So this is a very nice piece, and I'm really glad with it. So since this is actually a pretty long rolling stock, it's best to recommend this that you run this on. They said the recommended radius is 24-inch radiuses, but I use like 22-inch, and 22 inches should be okay, because I have a couple other rolling stock and they run really well on 22-inch, like such as my Amtrak Ampleys. They run really well, and same with the Autoracks. So I must say this is actually a very nice piece to add. So I really plan on getting more of these sometime in the future. Like maybe I'll get a couple more like Intermountains, hopefully. But I might think about sticking with Walthers, because Walthers is a little, I think, has better detailing, even though the Intermountains have the doors that open, but they're a little bit more expensive. So I stick with for me, I just stick with Walthers Proto, since they're a little bit cheaper when you find them at a discount price. So anyways, that's gonna do for this video. So I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by of all the 3 Autoracks in action. So I'll be looking forward to running more of these Autoracks more on my layout. So yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.